Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to change your Google account email address. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your Google. Then I want you to click on your profile picture, then click on manage your Google account. After you click on manage your Google account, you need to click on personal info. Then when you scroll down, the real thing that is that you cannot actually change the account. When you click on your account like so, you cannot actually change the email address of yours. So you generally cannot change the add gmail.com address. Instead, you can add a non-Gmail address to your Google account. Or if you are using a work or school account, contact your administrator for help. To manage your account's email address, go to your Google account settings, select personal info, contact info, email, then Google account email. If the option to edit is available, you can then enter a new address, but this typically only works for non-Gmail addresses or if your account is provided by an organization. However, you can create a new Google account with a new email address and then set up email forwarding from your old account to your new one to ensure you do not lose any messages. You can also manage your Google display name separately or use a Google alias to send and receive email from a different addresses without a new account. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.